Are you someone or know someone who spends a minimum of 6 hours at a work desk? Usually experience some kind of pain in your back, shoulders and neck after leaving from work? Well, maybe there needs to be a change in the chair being used. A computer chair is designed to provide the comfort and convenience you need in an office. It provides complete rest to the main structures of your body that are easily prone to stress while working. Prioritize posture. Most people tend to sit incorrectly, thanks to traditional chairs. Ergonomic computer chairs include head and back rests that support your posture while sitting. Some chairs are built with adjustable heights and angles that help keep your feet flat on the floor and parallel to the hips. This helps reduce pain in the lower back region as well by maintaining the natural curvature of your body. Be comfort-conscious. Chairs that are designed specifically for sitting at computers are more comfortable. They are highly user-friendly. Their main focus is to give the user comfort throughout the day. Chairs that offer flexibility and movability to the user through their features provide optimal comfort during work. This helps retain attention and concentration to the work being done. Nifty neck. A lack of neck support in your office chair may lead to the development of stiffness in your neck and shoulders. Computer chairs have a headrest that supports your head and neck even when you want to stretch out. This is especially good if you're someone who spends most of your time answering calls at work. Happy hips. Traditional chairs have a hard surface that exerts extra pressure on the hip region while sitting. Ergonomic chairs have a considerable seat depth which solves this problem. The seat extends all through the back of your knees to provide support with more structure to your hips and lower body area. Wonder Work. All the features of a computer chair are adjustable to accommodate the different activities you perform at your work desk. Revolving chairs enable the user to move around swiftly without having to get up from the seat to extend and strain. So what are you waiting for? Get an actual computer office chair today.